Hello and welcome to Clase Arena. This is your general overview, just taking a look at all of the things that you would use day to day in the application. Let's start with music. It applies to everything. You'll notice there's different music for different places in the app. Let's start with monsters. There are 5 different monsters for 5 different types of misbehavior. So you can read about the monsters by clicking on their icon, or you can initiate a battle. And once your students have done the 3 things to stop the battle, that battle will stop and you have victory. That's just how you manage behavior in the classroom. Next are quests. Here's the quest board where you can select a quest, which is just an activity that your whole entire class will be doing. And once your silent reading quest, for example, is finished after those 5 minutes, you can click quest complete. And your whole class just earned coin for their class treasury for completing that quest. So that's how students make gold, and how students use their gold primarily as a class is with rewards. So rewards is the hub where students can get real in life rewards. So 5 minutes of freedom, royalty for a day where they choose their seats, so on. Those are 2 of my students' favorite ones, but you can make your own, of course, and then view history of them. Now let's look at the tower. This is like the hub for your whole class, kind of their general info here. And then they can shop for healing, treasury, or defense. We can also view the whole class in the Barracks. You can look at the guild, which is each student's profile. You can look at their attributes, their role, you can edit, all that good stuff. And then we can create groups with parties. So this is where I would create a group or a party based on where my students are seated or who they're seated with. And you can view their attributes, progression, their levels, their gold, and so on. Next is the sovereign crown system. This is where you can have some healthy competition between parties, which again is our groups. And you can award crowns to the parties or individual students in a party until someone becomes a sovereign. And once you're a sovereign, then you get these sovereign privileges, but you can also challenge to get more crowns. You can answer a question, you can roll a dice, or you can do rock, paper, scissors. Next we have PvP battles, or we like to call it our review arena. You can call it that with your students so they know it's all about review. It's where 2 students can challenge one another. So they ask questions live, and they choose how they want to battle. And it's based on their hero attributes. So that is going to be really fun for them. And lastly, we have our side quests. Students can level up their heroes by studying outside of school hours. So let's say we had a student come in and said, hey, I found a really cool real world connection to what we were learning yesterday. I'm like, awesome, let's award you a side quest. So we're going to distribute that XP, and notice it also gives them patience for that particular side quest. And of course, you can create your own. So that's all of the main components of Clase Arena that you'll be using on a day-to-day basis. I will say this, if you just want to go with meat and taters, you can just use monsters, quests, or rewards. Of course, your tower's kind of playing that. But all these extra things are just extra fun cherry on top. You can have such an active, engaged, behaved class with just those components.